so.
Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. All these bees are from where my daughter lives in her front yard by her front door. Look at how they're all hanging from the white peach tree. She didn't know how they could do that, all hanging on, connected to each other. Oh, it was really scary, but she was brave and went out and took some pictures for us. Are they not the most beautiful things you've seen? And that tree is gorgeous too. It's a white peach tree. Look at all those bees. I was so glad she took photos
This
of it.
is a white peach tree. Here is the first little peach coming up. Isn't it as cute as can be? And this is where those bees were all hanging out at just a week or so ago. Right there. Now they're all gone. My daughter didn't like the angle I was shooting, so this is the angle she shot those pictures of the bees hanging from her white peach tree. Just thought I'd give you an update. They left. Here we have brand new baby grapefruit coming on the tree. We decided to pick the grapefruit from my daughter's tree to make for our more. Oh my God. Here is the beautiful grapefruit flower. Isn't it beautiful? Maybe we'll be lucky and the bee will land on it. Just saw him back there doing something. Let's go see if we can find it. Those beautiful grapefruits that are on my daughter and son-in-law's grapefruit tree. Are they not the most beautiful grapefruits you've ever seen? Here is our pink grapefruit for Mother's Day breakfast. Yum, yum, fresh off the tree. And no pesticides because they're from my daughter's tree at her home. The tree is just full of pink grapefruit. Can you see them all up there? They're so beautiful. And they taste so yummy right off the tree. They're not sour at all, and you don't even need sugar on them.
Hope you enjoyed seeing my daughter's place with her beautiful grapefruits and her beautiful white peach tree that had all those bees swarming around. It was pretty exciting. Look at those cute little grapefruits coming our way. They're so tiny and they're going to be so big.